Hello all, Jamie here with a brand new box of goodies to open. Now I say brand new, I do believe there is a few new bits in here, but I also have a feeling there is something coming back in stock in this box that you guys have been back in stock requesting at a rather rapid rate after we filmed last week's unboxing from this company. So watch out for your notifications and get these ordered as soon as you've seen this video, because they're not going to linger long once again, I imagined. I literally ordered as many as we could. We are talking cordless glue guns. Now these beautiful guns from Hi-Tac are incredible. They are USB chargeable glue guns that come with a couple of glue sticks already, so everything is in the box ready for you to get going. Now as I say, we've got a little bit carried away with these because we can see just how many of you have been waiting for these, requesting these, asking for them to come back in stock. They're a great product from a great brand and we're super excited to have them back. When we open these up, they're fully charged in 1.5 hours, ready to use in seconds, and no cables while in use. So that means you are ready to get going very quickly with your super duper quality glue gun. How gorgeous is that for a glue gun? And it's Hi-Tac, so we know that the brand behind it is a really trusted, incredible glue brand. Now, as I mentioned, glue sticks are already in here. Your charging cable is already in the box, ready for you to go. It's a USB cable, so you can use it with any USB port to plug that into, or of course, conversion plug, so you can plug it in, get that charged up in just 1.5 hours, and then your gun is good to go. Now, as I say, I have a feeling these will sell out again pretty quickly, so don't leave them long. If you had your eye on one of those, get it while you've got it. Then moving on into the box, oh, this one's a heavy one. Sticking with the wonderful world of Hi-Tac, what's in this little box? This, what type of glue have we got here? This is that fabric glue. So if you've not heard of Hi-Tac before, actually, this is really good to show you. Hi-Tac do lots of different glues. They've been a brand that we've kind of stocked here at Craftmania for, I don't know, about 20 odd years. And we do lots of different products under the Hi-Tac brand. It really is a trusted brand that you know is going to do the job you need it to do. So fabric glue, again, can be a bit tricky, can't it? We need to know that it's going to be a good brand, it's going to hold, it's going to stick, it's going to do everything we need it to do. And that's why we bring you many items under that brand. Speaking of good brands that we bring to you, this is one of our more recent ones, Pure Light. Now, we've actually shared a video going all the way through the advantages of the natural daylight hobby lamps, but again, these are coming back in stock. So are the 2-in-1 hands-free magnifiers from Pure Light, and these again have got a built-in light, and of course they've got that magnifier, so you're able to suspend it around your neck if you wish to, and go in really close and see what you're doing on detailed projects. Especially great for cross-stitch, tapestries, embroideries, bits like that, but of course can be used in many other ways. Then these are, again, returning in stock. These are our needle felt kits. How cute are these? And these are just one or design of many, many, many kits that we do in the needle felting range. And speaking of kits, these ones are brand new. I can never pronounce this, but I'm going to give it a go. Amigurumi. You can judge in the comments if that was anywhere near right. But these are brand new kits to us that are now on the website, and of course hitting the shelves here in store. And we've got these as a new product line from Trim It, and there's a few different designs. How cute is that turtle? He is gorgeous, isn't he? Oh, look at this one, we've got a little dinosaur. This is very cute. We've just recently had a new baby in our family, little baby Ivy, and I have a feeling, oh dear, that's gone. I have a feeling Ivy might, oh look at this one, I think Ivy would love this one. I think I quite like this one actually. Little octopus, how cute is that? So these are brand new kits that are just coming out of the box. And then we've also got some macrame angels as well, part of our macrame set of kits that we do. And we've got another one of our cross stitch kits. So we do lots and lots of cross stitch kits. This is another one that's coming. One I wish I could cross stitch for, because I think that's absolutely beautiful. I really like that. I love blue and white, let alone all of those different sites and places from around the world. And then the last little bit in our box is, of course, our latch hook kit there of the rainbow. And that's one of many latch hook kits that we carry. Oh, and there's one last hidden item. And I'm going to bring it in just as a little reminder. These are our little Trim It stick-on eyes. And we do loads of Trim It beads, embellishments, all different bits. If you haven't found them, do go check them out on the website. They're relatively new in stock, and we do all toy findings, joints, beads, wires, trimmers, all different bits under the Trimmets collection that you might wish to go and have a little look at. Now, as always, if you're watching this video, it means that these items are now available here in store for you at Craftmania, 5 Hewitt Road, Gapton Hall Industrial Estate, Great Yarmouth, Norfolk. Or, of course, you can pop online and order all of these bits and bobs on our website, which is www.craftmaniacrafts.com. The new bits will be in the new section, the back in stock bits will be in the back in stock section, or you can shop by brand, or of course you can hit up the main menu and find kits under kits, glues under glues, lights under lights, etc. So lots of options on where to go to find the bits and pieces you need. But any questions, don't hesitate to let us know in the comments, and I will send you a direct link to the right place. As always, anytime you spend over £15 if you live here in the UK, you're going to benefit from free UK P&P. If you wish to spend less than £15, it has a flat rate of £2.95. If you spend under £15 or over £15 and wish to upgrade to first class P&P, it has a flat rate of £3.95. And if you're watching from around the world and wondering, can I get one of those very cool crochet kits? Maybe you've got your heart on the octopus or the dinosaur. Then absolutely, of course you can. Your international P&P is capped at just £10. If we find it cheaper than that, we will refund you the difference. If it costs more than that, then here at Craftmania, we will actually pay that for you, meaning the most you will pay is £10. Now, don't forget, online there and in store, there is over 10,000 different product lines for you to go and explore from all of the leading craft brands. So go have a little look around, see what you'd like to be adding to your basket. And once again, reach out if you have any questions. Thank you very much for watching today. I look forward to seeing you all again very, very soon. Bye for now.